A new dawn, cut short, the promise and tragedy of Starship S-33. The world watched with bated breath. It was another launch day for SpaceX's Starship program. Starship S-33 held the hopes and dreams of reaching further into the cosmos. The air crackled with anticipation. The countdown echoed, each number bringing us closer to the edge of our seats. Then, ignition. The roar of the engines reverberated through the ground. The spacecraft, a monument to human ingenuity, climbed skyward. It ascended gracefully, a beacon of ambition against the azure canvas. For a brief moment, everything seemed possible. Space beckoned, and we, bound to Earth, dared to dream. But fate, it seemed, had other plans. The smooth ascent was abruptly shattered by a blinding flash. A collective gasp rippled through the watching world. The unthinkable had happened. Starship S-33, our emissary to the stars, was engulfed in an inferno. Through the fire and smoke, a visual chronicle of the S-33 explosion. The initial moments of the flight were picture-perfect. Cameras captured the sleek silhouette of Starship S-33, bathed in the warm glow of the rising sun. It was a majestic sight, a testament to human ambition and engineering prowess. The rocket, a symphony of metal and fire, climbed higher, piercing the heavens with unwavering determination. Then, almost imperceptibly at first, a wisp of smoke appeared near the engine section. But within seconds the wisp transformed into a billowing plume, growing ominously with each passing frame. The live feed beamed across the globe, showed the horrifying sequence unfold in real time. The once pristine white of the rocket was now marred by streaks of black soot, the telltale signs of catastrophic failure. The final image beamed back before the feed was cut was a heart-wrenching tableau of destruction. Pieces of the puzzle, debris findings and the search for answers. Following the catastrophic explosion of Starship S-33, a somber task began, piecing together the fragments of the ill-fated spacecraft. Debris, scattered across a wide radius, became crucial clues in the forensic investigation that followed. Teams from SpaceX, along with investigators from the Federal Aviation Administration, meticulously combed the debris field, their every move documented, every fragment analyzed. Large sections of the rocket's hull were found miles from the launch site, some bearing the scars of intense heat and pressure. Twisted pieces of metal, once part of the intricate engine assembly, lay half buried in the earth, silent witnesses to the forces unleashed during the explosion. The recovery and analysis of the heat shield tiles became a particular focus for investigators. These tiles, designed to protect the spacecraft from the searing heat of atmospheric re-entry, held vital information about the sequence of events leading up to the explosion. Reaching for the stars, version 2.0 upgrades and ambitions in Flight 7. The explosion of Starship S-33, while a significant setback, did not extinguish SpaceX's ambitions for interplanetary travel. In fact, it only served to fuel their determination. Flight 7, the next milestone in their ambitious program, showcased a redesigned Starship, incorporating crucial lessons learned from the S-33 incident. The most noticeable upgrade was the reinforced heat shield. Composed of a new, more robust material, it addressed a critical vulnerability identified in the previous design. Each tile underwent rigorous testing, simulating the extreme temperatures and pressures of atmospheric re-entry. The engine configuration also underwent significant revisions. The new design boasted improved redundancy, ensuring that even in the event of a single engine failure, the spacecraft could maintain stability and continue its mission. Flight 7, therefore, represented more than just a return to flight. When engines fail unraveling the technical glitches of S-33, the fiery demise of Starship S-33 was a stark reminder of the incredible complexity and inherent risks involved in pushing the boundaries of space travel. While the full investigation was ongoing, preliminary analysis pointed to a chain of events, a cascade of failures, that ultimately doomed the mission. At the heart of the disaster lay the Raptor engines, the powerful heart of the Starship. These engines, marvels of engineering, are capable of generating thrust levels never before seen. However, this immense power comes at a price. The extreme temperatures and pressures within these engines create an environment where even the smallest anomaly can have catastrophic consequences. Preliminary findings suggested that the initial failure occurred in one of the Raptor engines. The exact nature of the failure remained unclear, but it seemed to have triggered a chain reaction, causing a cascade of failures in adjacent engines. Hubble's uncertain future, a telescope in peril? As SpaceX grappled with the aftermath of the S-33 explosion, another icon of space exploration faced its own set of challenges, albeit of a different nature. The Hubble Space Telescope. For decades, our eye on the cosmos found itself staring down the barrel of budget cuts, its future uncertain. For over 3 decades, Hubble has been beaming back breathtaking images of the universe, revolutionizing our understanding of the cosmos. From the iconic pillars of creation to the deepest views of the early universe, Hubble has unveiled the universe's grandeur and sparked the imagination of generations. However, maintaining this scientific marvel comes at a cost. With limited resources and competing priorities, funding for Hubble's continued operation was in jeopardy. Some argued that with the launch of the James Webb Space Telescope, Hubble's mission was coming to a natural end. Others, however, fiercely defended its continued relevance, pointing to its unique capabilities and the irreplaceable role it played in astronomical research. The final frontier awaits challenges and opportunities for SpaceX and beyond. The explosion of Starship S33, while a significant setback, did not diminish the allure of space exploration. If anything, it served as a poignant reminder of the immense challenges and inherent risks involved in pushing the boundaries of human ingenuity. As SpaceX picked up the pieces and prepared for the next chapter in its ambitious program, the broader space exploration community watched with a mix of anticipation and apprehension. The quest to reach Mars, to establish a permanent human presence on another planet, remained a tantalizing goal, driving innovation and pushing the limits of technology. However, the path to achieving this audacious dream was fraught with obstacles, both technical and financial. Developing the necessary spacecraft, life support systems, and propulsion technologies required massive investments and unwavering commitment. Yet amidst the challenges, there was also a sense of optimism, a belief that the final frontier was within reach. Private companies like SpaceX, with their bold visions and willingness to take risks, were injecting new life into the space race. Governments too, recognizing the strategic and scientific importance of space exploration, were renewing their commitments, forging international partnerships to share the costs and reap the benefits of venturing beyond Earth.